Today we have a lot of animals, some safari animals collection. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start the video. Let's learn their names one by one. The first animal is elephant. This is elephant. Elephant. This is elephant. Elephant. This is a leopard. This is a leopard. A leopard. This is a leopard. A leopard. This is a tiger. A tiger. Tiger. This is a tiger. This is a cow. This is a cow. A cow. This is a cow. This is a saurus. This is a saurus. A saurus. This is a dog. This is a dog. A dog. This is a camel. This is a camel. This is a rooster. This is a rooster. A rooster.